Today I'm making creamy turkey and wild rice soup, and it's perfect for a cold winter day. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use. I'm going to have some carrots, celery, onion, and some garlic. You're going to need long grain and wild rice. I am using some of my pressure canned turkey meat, chicken broth, mushrooms, heavy cream, milk, this Kinders seasoning, the buttery poultry flavor, cream cheese, and I'm going to do it in my new pot I got for my birthday. My daughter-in-law and son got this for my birthday, and boy does it match all my blue and white that I have on my shelves. I took Christmas down and we've got our blue and white back up, and I just love it. So let's get busy making this really delicious soup. The first step is to cook your wild rice according to the directions on the package. We will be adding that to the soup cooked. The next process was to dice up the carrots, celery, onion, and we're going to saute that on the stove in some olive oil and then add in 3 diced cloves of garlic. So there is my Dutch oven, and I'm putting in all those delicious veggies. I'm going to saute those until they're nice and translucent. And then we're going to add the garlic in last. I'm adding in a box of chicken broth, and I'm going to be mixing all that together, and then I'm going to take my jar of turkey and pour that into the soup. Now you could use chicken, canned chicken, rotisserie chicken, but I have plenty of turkey in the pantry, so I'm just going to take the juice and the turkey meat, and it is so tender and moist. I love to pressure can turkey meat. It is so good for turkey and pastry, soups, casseroles. I was adding that into the pot. The other pot on the stove has my cooked wild rice. Now, after the rice has cooked, I added 2 cups of that cooked rice to the soup. Now I'm adding in that Kinders Buttery Poultry seasoning, the salt and pepper. I'm going to give that a good stir. Now you also add a cup of milk and a half a cup of whipping cream, and then 2 ounces of cream cheese. I'm adding in the 2 cups of the wild rice. Now it has to be cooked because this is only going to cook for about 15 minutes. Now I'm adding in that last ingredient, which was the cream cheese. I cooked this on a medium-low for about 15 minutes, and now it's done. I added in some mushrooms right at the end because I did not want them to get tough. It smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. All right, I'm going to ladle some up in my soup mug, and I have some bread I'm going to serve with this. It is really delicious. I love turkey and wild rice soup. Look how pretty my new pot is. I'm so excited. Oh, it smells really good. I've had a turkey and wild rice soup in restaurants, but I've never made it myself, so I'm anxious to give this a taste test. It's hot. Oh, y'all, that's good. Oh, that is delicious. Perfect for a cold day. It's really, really good. That seasoning that I put in it, oh, it's just makes everything taste wonderful. Oh, that's good. The mushrooms are good. The carrots, the wild rice is good. That's delicious. Creamy turkey and wild rice soup. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below. Let me dip some bread in it. Very good. Perfect for a cold winter day. Of course, I'm a Southern girl. I still got to have my sweet tea, iced tea. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a very blessed and safe day.